Hello YouTubers, I'm Rain Carlos and I'm doing a swanton bomb. Okay, right now, let's take a look. Okay, this is how to do it. Yeah. To do the hard step is when you flip and you go the swanton bomb like this. See? That's a cool, right? Let's see the second try of the swanton bomb. Oh, no, sorry. It's the calculation. Okay, so you better start ringing. Wait. Okay, so this is the swanton mode. Like that. So you better try it at professional wrestling ring, pool, or bed. So please subscribe. I'm Rain Carlos. My new account, Ninja Blades 115. Thank you. Please subscribe.